Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a Honeywell water heater that's blinking 7 times on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can get your hot water flowing again quickly and safely. First things first, let's break down what this 7 blink code means. On Honeywell water heaters, 7 blinks typically signal an issue with the ignition system or gas supply. It could indicate that the unit is failing to light properly, which might leave you with no hot water when you need it most. This is a common problem in modern models like the 2025 lineup, often due to wear and tear or simple malfunctions. Now, before we dive into fixes, remember safety is key. Always turn off the power and gas supply to your water heater to avoid any risks like electrical shocks or gas leaks. Okay, let's talk about possible causes. The 7 blink error might stem from a faulty igniter, problems with the gas valve, or even a blocked vent. In some cases, it's as simple as a loose wire or a reset issue, but it could also point to more serious problems like a malfunctioning thermostat. To troubleshoot, start by checking the power source, ensure the unit is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Then, try resetting the water heater by turning it off for a few minutes and turning it back on. If that doesn't work, inspect the igniter for any dirt or damage, clean it gently if needed. Next, verify the gas supply is on and flowing correctly. Check for any shut-off valves or low pressure. If you're comfortable, you can also examine the wiring for loose connections, but if things seem complicated, it's time to call a professional technician. They have the tools to diagnose and fix underlying issues safely. In the 2025 models, Honeywell has improved diagnostics, so keeping up with maintenance can prevent this altogether. Finally, if you resolve the issue, great job. If not, don't hesitate to seek help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more home fix tips. Stay safe and see you next time.